Good morning, children. I am happy to see you back to online class. Today our topic is very familiar to us. The topic is just about the friends around us. There are one among us. You all know that this is our lockdown period. Most of the people affected by coronavirus, isn't it? During this quarantine time, the friends are helped us without considering their life. Do you know? Any guess? Yes, of course. The guess is correct. There are none other than doctors, nurses, health officers, health workers, and police. This is lesson. We are going to study about them only. The friends mentioned here are not about your school friends or neighbor friends. It's about our friends who are helping us in our day-to-day life. That is, the topic name is our friends. This is a social subject, lesson 2. Its friends are also called as community helpers. Community helpers. That is, community mean the group of peoples. The group of peoples help our society. In this lesson, we know about our friends. There are firefighters, doctors, nurses, police, engineer, road workers, and judges and soldiers. First, we can learn about firefighters. Before we enter into the lesson, I ask one puzzle. That is, I put off fires and rescue people. Who am I? Any answer? Yes. Fire service. Fire service. They are also our friends, isn't it? Once they get a call, they will immediately go to the place with the help of a vehicle, fire engine, save people and properties from fire. Children, do you know that? Why the siren is warning to us? Because the siren is warning to the people on the road, so that we can give way to the fire engine. The fire engine is specially designed vehicle which contains water pumps, ladder, first aid kits, and fire extinguisher. Then the dial number of the fire station is 101. 101. Now we can see who is our next friend, okay? I help you when you are sick or hurt. I also help you to stay healthy. Who am I? Doctor. Yes, correct. If you are not feeling well, you will visit the hospital, isn't it? A doctor help you to get rid of your illness. He give you medicine for your illness. Can you see one more community worker in this hospital? Who's that? Yes, she is a nurse. Nurse is a person who assists the doctor and takes care of the patients. She will also help you stitches the wounds, injects the patients, etc. This is the work of the nurse. If in case of any emergency, that is health issue or accident, to who will you make a call? Yes, definitely ambulance. The dial number of the ambulance is 108. 108. It also contains a doctor, nurse, and first aid kit in this ambulance. Our next friend is engineer and road workers. Engineer The person who gives structure and design to the buildings is called an engineer. Children, does the engineer design a house? Yes, of course. He designs houses, schools, colleges, bridges, multi-story buildings, temples, shops, factories and etc. Roads are laid by the road workers. Travel easy for the vehicles and pedestrians. There are so many community workers in our day-to-day life. In one more worker is sweeper. They also clean our streets. Children, our next most important friend is farmer. Because of them that we are getting food and we remain happy. Because of the farmers, we are very happy living now. Farmers are the person who is engaged in an agriculture and raising livestock. We are getting food from the farmers. Farmers produce food crops for healthy living. They work very hard in the soil so that we can receive food from the farmers. Our next friend is police. Police protects our community from crime. I already told no, community means a group of people. Do you know that? What is the dial number of police? Yes, of course, 100. The dial number is 100. You can make a call to the number. They will come and help you. The another friend is traffic police. A traffic police is a person who controls vehicles coming from all the sides. So he directs a vehicle in correct path and protect pedestrians. People who are walking on the road. Next our friend is soldiers. They are heroes. They are not a cinema heroes. They are real heroes. Because they are fighting to protect the people of our country from invaders. There are many soldiers who defend the country, sacrificing their own lives and families. So we are called as a real heroes. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose formed a Indian National Army. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose formed Indian National Army. Students, our next friend is you all likes very much. Who's that? Teacher. Yes. Teacher is our best friend. Do you know why I am saying this? Yes, they equal to parents. And the service of a teacher is a noble service that enlightens us with knowledge, values and helps people to become good citizens. Now you understand? Our last friend is judge. Judge is a person who gives justice in people. His working place of a judge is a court. You all seen the court, no? High Court is situated in Chennai. The Supreme Court is located in New Delhi. Judge is responsible for assuring law. Assuring means doing something as promise. Doing something as promise. Assuring means doing something as promise. The tool used by the judge is gavel. The tool used by the judge is gavel. That is order, order, order. Supreme Court is the guardian of Constitution. Supreme Court is the guardian of Constitution. The Constitution is set of law and order followed by the government. Students, we should be proud of the people who serve us and our country. Now, we can learn about English and Tamil meaning. Emergency, emergency, அவசர நிலை. Judge, நீதிபதி. Siren, அபாயச் சங்கு. Farmers, விவசாயிகள். Crime, சட்ட விரோதமான செயல். Emergency, அவசர நிலை. Judge, நீதிபதி. Siren, அபாய சங்கு. Farmers, விவசாயிகள். Crime, சட்ட விரோதமான செயல். Thank you children for your cooperation. Please go through the lesson. Thank you once again.